forecast for Smithfield and vicinity. Rest of today, sunny. Highs around 80. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows around 60. Northeast winds around.
So I guess coming up next is the National Emergency Alert System test later today. So hope you guys enjoy it.
Winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Not to point out that none of these athletes travel non-stop on charters. So it makes everything so different. So what was your takeaway from what you had published today?
No, I remember that tweet that you from marked a little while ago, and you're right.
National test.
You are on a charter flight.
What I think is that I'm not trying to disparage any football academic.
There goes this one.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. This antenna. No action is required by the public. This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.